With the massive increase in data servers need to process, 100 gigabit connections are becoming a necessity for organizations. A faster network allows staff to be more productive and processes to run smoother. Introducing the DXS 3610 series. Extremely power layer 3 stackable 10 and 100 gigabit managed switches for enterprises, data centers, and ISPs. Higher performance server connectivity with ultra-low latency. Ideal for the virtual environments and the convergence of Ethernet and storage traffic. Hot swappable power and fan modules, together with high availability features, ensure reliable connectivity and guarantee network uptime. Stack up to 12 devices for a total bandwidth of 1.2 terabytes, providing redundancy, efficient monitoring, and reducing network convergence time. Flexible copper and fiber interface options, up to 576 10 gigabit ports. Critical authentication and customizable filters enhance network access control. Upgradable licenses unleash full layer 3 features and multi-protocol label switching. Network resource management optimizes packet processing efficiency. SDN support also vastly simplifies sophisticated technologies for easy administration. Convenient features such as locator light tell you which switch you were logged onto, while slide-out information tag gives quick and easy access to device information. The DXS 3610 series can be managed through DView as well as Web UI and CLI. DView is a centralized management tool that provides scalable, customized systems and complete network visibility. The DXS-3610 can be deployed in a leaf-spine architecture for high scalability and performance, or in a top-of-rack TOR configuration for a simplified cable run. The DX3610 series is also suited to enterprise and campus scenarios. 10 gigabit links and 100 gigabit uplinks ensure high-speed wired routing and forwarding with flexible port options, including SFP+. Selective Q&Q technologies and MPLS support mean customer networks can be better managed to provide enhanced service and security. Service provider-centric technologies simplify network monitoring, operations, and troubleshooting. The DXS 3610 series. Layer 3 stackable 10 and 100 gigabit managed switches.